What's happening, y'all? What's happening? Welcome to Trade Street, man. It's your boy K Money. We on the road to riches. We trying to get it, man. We riding down Trade Street. Hop in, come join. Let's go. We're gonna jump straight on these charts, man, from the jump. The first episode. Okay. Looking at Euro, JPY. Let me send a couple links, man. Tell me where y'all from. And how long you been doing forex? All right, we on the daily. I see a zone right here. Let's mark that. Hey, it's your boy K Money, man. Listen here. I have only been doing this forex thing for the last 5 months. I admit I am not a professional. You know what I mean? I'm just a person out here trying to get it together and learn this thing without a mentor and nothing. I think it's enough videos on YouTube, enough videos out there that you can research and kind of get it for yourself. You just got to be studying and be savvy with it, because it ain't going to just come to you. And what I'm doing right now is marking out my zones. And yes, I will be taking live trades. I will be pressing the button. I'm not going to fake with y'all. Like most of these YouTubers, they just talking and they don't take a trade at all. I'm actually going to take trades. I see a zone up here. And I see another zone down here at the bottom. Just going to take that and copy it. When you're doing this forex thing, I noticed that you got to do top-down analysis. You got to start from the daily, then go to the 4 hour. then go to the 2 hour or 1 hour, then the 30 minutes, then the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. You know, if you scalping, which that's what I'll be doing, I'll be looking at the 5, the 15, and the hour. But I still mark my charts up from the daily, because you can actually tell where your support and resistance levels are. You know, it's not a hard thing, man. It's what you make it. 5 months in, I've had a little bit of profitability. I haven't seen much, but I know it's coming. And what a way to document it. You know what I mean? Go ahead and document it on YouTube for all y'all good people. This is my first live ever on YouTube, man. So all the mistakes and blunders on here, don't worry about that, man. We trying to get to the money. We trying to figure this thing out. I want y'all to come with me on this journey and take a ride down Trade Street. If you're a beginner like me, let's get it together, man. We can work together and make some profits off this. Take all the profits. Set our family straight and get our life right, like it's supposed to be. You know what I mean? Like we deserve. It's a process now. Are you willing to take the process, take the bumps and the bruises, and keep going and keep moving? See, when I mark that 4 hour, when I mark that daily up, now you go down to the 4 hour and you can actually like touch it up. Now we're gonna go. I'm thinking it's gonna shoot up because it's buy side liquidity up there. Buy side liquidity. Meaning there's money resting up here up top. I'm thinking it's gonna go here. It's gonna break through, retest, then go up there to the top. So I'm thinking like this. A breakthrough. Retest at the zone right here. Then shoot up here. That's my outlook for the next week or two for Euro JPY. That's my analysis right there. It's going to hit and go break past this support line right here. Look at the support line. That's resistance and support. It's resisting right there, supporting there, supporting there, supporting there, supporting there. And it's back here, resistance again. So with that in mind, I feel it's going to break through, have a slight pullback here, and then rise on up to this 129 level, 126 level. Yes, man. All right, let's look at Euro USD. I'm on the daily. Mark my zones up. Yeah, man. We out here trying to get it together out here in the world with this forex thing. Like I said, man, I've been doing it for 5 months, and I plan on being real big in the game. It takes a lot of patience, I know. It takes a lot of patience, you know. It's not an easy road. But if you put the time and effort and the work in, you can do something. You can do something. You definitely can do something with this. It is not a scam. So we see that it's retesting from the breakout. It's retesting. It broke through here, this trend line. It broke through here, this support line, excuse me. Newbie talk. Broke through, came back, and retested. I'm expecting it to, after the retest, it drops on back down. So after this retest, I'm expecting it to I'm expecting it to drop all the way down here to the 114, 1.1400 level. Because there's nothing to stop it. There's nothing to stop it. There's no resistance, no support lines to stop it from here. So after this retest, and when it hit this resistance line, I'm expecting it to bounce all the way back down to the 1400 level. All the sell side, look, all this between here. The sell side liquidity. This is my favorite pair right here, Euro USD. I love this pair. It's like, it's kind of easier to catch it in a trend. It's kind of easy to catch it in a trend. Because it pretty much is just has a long like leg. You just got to catch it and wait for the pullbacks. And like I said, patience is the key to this thing. Patience is the key. If you don't have no patience with this forex thing, man, it's gonna be a hard battle for you. But through the years, I've been building a lot of patience, not knowing that I was gonna be able to use this patience for this forex, because you gotta have a lot of patience. When you set your trades, you got to be making sure that you gotta take profit and a stop loss. And if your take profit is down, and let it run till you take profit. Don't stop it before time and lose the trade when you could have had a runner and it could have went way past your take profit. But you're getting scared and nervous, and it'll make you stop. And like the first month that I was doing this, I was like, man, I don't know. I'm not gonna kid y'all. I don't know how in the world that I can hold a trade for an hour. I would just take it in. When I started going up, when it started going down, and it's going my way, and it's nowhere close to my take profit, I would still just take the profit, 80 cent, 30 cent, and get out of there, and be having a risk reward of 1-to-1. But I know one thing, it's gonna take some time to get it, because I don't have it all. I don't have the answers. It's just gonna be a great thing to document this and watch the growth. Let's look, see if we can find a trade when it reverses right here. We're gonna go down to we're gonna go to the 1 hour and see where we are. Alright, we're gonna go down to the 15 minutes. Right now, looks like we're going through a little consolidation. Market is prices trading side to side right at the moment. So we just got to sit back and wait, see what happens. I'm expecting the pullback. Alright, let's go to USD CAD. And like I said, my analysis says he's gonna come here, he's gonna hit this. And off of this, it's gonna bounce off and drop all the way down to the 114 level, an institutional level. It's like 300 pips. So in the next couple of days, be looking for that Euro USD to fall. What y'all think about that? Y'all think USD CAD gonna fall? Let's look at USD CAD. And I got this one already marked up. And I'm gonna take all my markups off. I'm gonna keep that one because it's kind of relevant to what's going on. I see resistance here on the 4 hour. We're gonna go to the daily though. What y'all out there doing, man? What y'all trading? What's y'all favorite pairs? And when you get time, man, like and subscribe the video. This is my first one. Show me some love. There's gonna be some ups and downs in this. I don't know nothing about this YouTube thing, but we're gonna figure it all out. It's gonna be funny to watch the growth in this. It's gonna be very funny. All the mistakes and the blunders. I'm not editing nothing. I'm trying to see if we can catch a trade. Let's look at GJ. Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. Everything looks like it's consolidating right now. Going in the sideways pattern. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, everything's pretty much consolidating at the moment. Yeah, man, listen to the little tunes to set the mood. I don't see no structure in this thing, man. Really ain't no structure. It's all sideways on GJ, which is not a good thing. Don't get caught up in the sideways trades. The trend is your friend. Let me say that again. The trend is your friend, man. Stick to the trends and stick to the clear patterns of an open market, not a sideways consolidating market. Do not fall for a consolidating market. You know it's consolidating when it's going sideways. That's consolidation, all that right here. But I'm looking at GJ tools. Let's look at it. Let me tell you what I think GJ is going to do. All right, September 25th. I think GJ is going to make a drop soon. It's going to drop down here and get these lows from last week. I'm pretty sure it's going to drop down here during London session at like 3 o'clock. Round 3. I'm pretty sure it'll drop down. And it's going to make the low of the day. Because as we speak right now, that's yesterday's low. And the day's highs, this candle here, a swing low to get those buyers out of there to hit their stop loss. And I believe it's going to go up here, then reverse. It's going to go here, gonna hit off this line, then it's down here from there to get these yesterday lows. So my analysis for GJ is by hit off of this support line, resistance line, support and resistance line, and bounce off. Now if it breaks that support resistance line, basically, if it breaks it, which I highly doubt it's going to break it, we're looking at if we break it, we're looking at this area, the 3800 area, 138. If it breaks this, if it breaks it, it's gonna still retest it. The pullback here, sell on. But my analysis says it's gonna bounce off this and then go back down. Let me see if I can catch me a little scalp. All right, let's take this trade. Catch me a scalp. We'll go to a 1-to-2 ratio. One thing about TradeStreet, we're going to really trade. Win or lose. I want it all to be documented. Nobody's perfect. I'm still a beginner. But I'm just going to trust my analysis. Let's see where we go. We do take live trades. We are not going to be just telling you some things and not taking the trade and taking the risk. But I do say, do not take my advice on trading. I am not a consultant. I am not an expert. I am not no one to tell you to trade. If you ask me, you should trade demo. Don't trade live funds until you're ready. Do not be the one to learn the hard way. Don't be the one to learn the hard way. You understand? Let's see what this pans out. Yeah, man, we on Trade Street. Taking a trip to get the pips. Then we dip. Get the pips and dip. You heard? Let's see what we get with this next candle in these 3 minutes. See that downwards candle right here? That's a push up. Like and subscribe to the video, man. Support your boy. We're gonna get this thing cranking. We will be taking live trades. Patience is the key. Patience is the key. The first 15 minutes be tricky, man. Of a 15-minute candle. The first 3-4 minutes be tricky. But I believe in my analysis. I believe in my trade. Once you get your psychology right with it, you on the road to riches, man. So how long y'all been doing forex? And how's your process going with it? Comment below. It want to break to the upside. And it really want to hit that resistance, that red line that I have up there. I just feel that break coming to the upside. I just feel it. I just feel like it's going to the upside. Y'all know pipping ain't easy. Pipping ain't easy. We just seeing where it goes. I know it want to break to the upside. Because you have these candles right here sitting here. It's got to trade back to this candles. And when it trades back to this candle, I collect pips. And I dip. So what y'all think this thing gonna do, man? Y'all think it's gonna do what I say it's gonna do? Go up? Patience, patience, patience. That's the key word. Patience. Forex trading takes a lot of patience. All you can do is sit back and watch. Or do like I do. I set my stop limit, buy limit, or sell limit. I set it and walk away, man. Come back and look at my phone and take them pips and dip. All right, we got profit. We got profit. Yeah, 58 bucks. Five months in the beginning, man. And I'm making profits already. No indicators, no nothing. I will use an indicator every now and then. When I first started, the first month, I'd use the indicator, but they seemed to lag a lot. I didn't understand why it lagged. Yeah, man. And take my stop loss up a little bit so I can save some of these profits. Long as you get something, one thing about the market, you can't be greedy, man. You can't be greedy with the market. I got Trading View also, but I just don't have a paid subscription, so that's why I'm not using Trading View. Go through a few pairs. Yeah, I'll go back. Subscribe and like the video. Well, we take real trades, man. We're not just taking and marking up charts and never hitting the trade button, never hitting the buy or sell button, and scared to lose in front of people. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. That's how I look at it. For a beginner 5 months in, I'm doing quite well. That's why I feel comfortable of coming on this YouTube and actually showing my journey, my road to riches, my road on Trade Street, my ride. You know, I'm not ashamed to lose. I'm not ashamed. I've lost millions of times, but I always bounce back after my losses. I take forex as the same thing. I bounce back after my loss. Can't win every trade. There's no way possible you can win every trade. But as long as you win more than you lose, like your risk to reward ratio is more on the win side, you'll be okay. As long as you get your risk management right, you're okay. I think I'm gonna close it out when I get to like 40, 35, because I have to take a trip. I gotta get out of here. Just wanted to come on live for my first time and actually show that I trade. So when it gets to 30, 40, 30. Yeah. Okay. We close. All right. Well, I appreciate y'all viewing my first video. We got a lot more to come, man. It's your boy K Money, representing Forex Trade Street. I appreciate y'all viewing. Y'all take care. Have a good night. Y'all might see me back on the London session tonight. Until then, peace.